Hello everyone. Today I'm going to explain the basic concepts of our program language. In this lesson, I will explain the main packets and some commands such as select, filter, mutate. I will explain these topics. This is general view of our program. After this video, I will divide it all uh, topics in the last like one lessons and I will explain all important topics which we use our program language. Uh, Today I will start with some basic concepts, some packets explanations and some common explanations. Of course, before starting this lesson, some people don't have any information about our program, or they don't know how they can install this program. If you want this information, you can write a comment and I will share another video about that topic. Okay, let's start. Firstly, after installing our program, you must install packets for doing operations. Uh, of course, in order to install packets, uh, we use install packets command, and in the quotation mark we write packets name. After that, we run our command. You can run like that from here, or you can click Ctrl plus Enter. Yes, Ctrl plus Enter, and our package is running. Yes, our package is running. Then after you can install this package like that. Install package. In the quotation mark we write excel, then in the quotation mark we write title quant. After that, this is the first step. After that, we installed all packets to our program. Then, in order to doing these operations, we must activate our packets. In order to activate our packets, we use library command and we write packets name, but we don't write packets name in the quotation mark. After that, we also run with the Ctrl plus Enter, run, run. Then we run all packets. Also, you can activate packets in here from packets part. We write, for example, read Excel, and read Excel is activated. You can check from here. Let's explain these packets, what these packets do, why we install them, and what's their main role in the for us. Library Excel. Library Excel is for importing data. For example, you start to do operations, and in order to that you must import data from your computer. For that, this commands in read Excel package will help you, like read XLS, read. You can see that. You can see that read XLSX, XLS, read Excel, and these commands will help you for importing data. The second package is the write Excel. Write Excel is for saving data as an Excel file. It means that when you finish your operations, you finalize your result, and you got the final cleaned data, and in order to showing this data as Excel format for showing your chef, boss, or senior supervisor, you you can save data as Excel file. For that, you will use write Excel package. Also, you will learn this packets, rows, and other lessons. tidyquant, it is used for ggplot team. Also, you will learn widely about this package in the other lesson. tidyquant is for ggplot. It means that when you visualize your data, you will need this package. Library tidyverse is a meta package and install some packages which relate to each other. It means that you, while installing this package, you will also install dplyr, table, tidier, reader. Like this package will also install. Library update package. It is working. For working with data and times. You will also learn about this package in the other lessons. Yes, guys, today I will explain some commands, some parts here. It is just a general view of our program. After this lesson, I will explain more for each topic. The first, I will show that how we imported data. In order to that, I have a data. I have taken this data from Kaggle, and my data is the CSV file. For that, I will write this command: read, not XLS or not XLSX, read CSV. Yes, we write after that quotation mark. Then we should we should make our directory. Where is our directory? My document, my data, it is placed in the documents part, and my data it's placed in the lessons folder. Yes, lessons, and another I click tab, and this is my data name, students performance CSV. Let's run this with the Ctrl plus enter, and my result, it is showed in the console part. But while you finish your command, you must name your data, your command, in order to save your data in the environment. And let's name our data. I will name like performance table. For naming our data, we use this sign. In order to write this sign, I will write shortcut for this sign. For this sign, shortcut is this: Alt plus minus for this. And after that, I run my command. Yes, this is my data. This is gender, students gender, male and female. This is ethnicity. There are 5 ethnicity of students: nationality, ethnicity, race, ethnicity. Parental level of education. This is their parents' educational level. Lands. These students have lands. How they are lands, and like about information on this. Test preparation course, completed or not. Math score, reading score, writing score. This is our data, students' performance. After that, after installing data, after importing the data, we should investigate our data. There are many ways for investigating. I will explain a simple one. After our lessons continue, I will teach some investigating commands. For that, for today, performance table, oh, performance table pipe glimpse. What's pipe? Pipe, it means while you use command, in order to apply your data which you will use pipe. It means that this command belongs to this data. In order to apply some commands for this data, you must write pipe. It is very important. For example, you have 5 or 3 commands. You have write for each one pipe for each one. I think you will learn good after I explaining. For shortcut pipe, it is Control plus Shift plus M. Let's okay, we run our command. Gender, race, ethnicity, parental level education, lands, test preparation course, these 5 variables in the character format and other 3 variables in the double format. We can see these. Also, we can see there are 8 columns and we have 1000 rows. Now I will explain some commands such as select, filter. Let's talk about select command, select, and select helpers. What select do? Select, it is for reducing columns. What we need these columns. I will write types of select commands, how can we use. Let's start with the simple one. The first we write our data, then pipe. In order to apply this data, this command, select 1, 5. It means that from first column to fifth column. Select only these columns. We run, and as you see, select first 5 columns. Render the parental level education, lands, and test preparation course. Let's try. We can also write this command with the word performance table pipe select, for example, gender and launch. As you see, there are 4 columns, 1000 row and 4 columns. Also, you can, for example, you forgot some thing in your command, in some package, some information you forgot. You can write question mark and command name and then run. You will see information about this command. Description, select and option variable in a data frame using concurrent mini language that makes it suitable for variables based on their name. Also, there are some helpers. These helpers select variables by matching patterns their names. Start with, end with, contains, mass, num, range. If you want, let's use from these helpers. For example, look at our data. For example, like that. Performance table pipe select end with. Let's end with score. It should take 3 columns. Okay, yes, as you see, it takes 3 columns: math score, reading score, writing score, because each one end with score. Each of them end with score. Let's write another type: performance table. Select start with R. There are 2 columns that start with R: race, ethnicity, and reading score. This is select helpers that we can use. Also, we can write select like that. For example, we want to select character type columns. For that, we write like that: performance table pipe select select if is character. Okay, it select character type of vector. As you see, gender, race, ethnicity, parental level education, lands, test preparation course. 5 column set which are character type. Also, we take double performance table pipe select if is double format. Yes, now it takes 3 columns: math score, reading score, writing score, which are double format. Yes guys, this is our select command. Also, we will use while analyzing our other data. We will use more this command. If you have any question, you can write in the comment part. I will explain in the other lesson. I will take some questions from this comment and I will explain also that. Let's talk about filter. Filter is very good command. It is for using reducing row. Which row it's important for us, we take them. Let's look at our data. For example, I want to take math score is higher from 50. No, 70. Let's take 70. Math score is higher from 70, and let's take this filter this. For that, we write performance table filter math score greater 70. And for seeing this result as a table, we can write view and let's run. And as you see, math score starts, let's fill range, and math score starts with 70 71, and as you see, there are 391 rows. It means 391 students got math score higher than 70, as you see. For example, also we can write like that. Another way, I want to see performance table filter. For example, parental level bachelor is for example high school. Maybe we can write, but this high school parental level education, we can write two equal sign, and we as you see, when we write the word we should write in the uh, in the quotation mark. For that, while maybe for you want to copy a name, the firstly you write, I will explain this, but this is write this for myself, like that: performance table distinct. And let's view this view. There are 118 rows with parental level education bachelor degrees, and we okay, there is a problem in my phone. Okay, let's and as you see, this is parental level education is the bachelor's degree, and these students' parents have a bachelor degree, and their score is here. Lowest starts with 29 uh, for math score. For reading score starts with 41. For writing score starts with 38. Okay, let's also take how we write like that. Also we write performance table filter filter like that filter. Let's take like that. Not we want to take male, and we will write like that, not male. We will write our comment like that. For that we write gender. This sign means that no equal vote female. It means that we want to take female. We want we don't want female in our data. We only want to see male students. For that, as you see, there are 482 male. Let's view. As you see, there are all only male students, and all male students score lowest score is the 27, and the reading score is 23, and writing score is the 19, not 15, and as you see this result. Yes.